Everybody, RT Gadgets here. So I have here a digital clamp meter, and it comes with this stuff, instruction manual, and the meter. So I am actually surprised with the meter. This is cost $8.88 with free shipping, and it requires two AAA battery, two AAA batteries, and coming included with the multimeter. So I think the quality of construction is very good for the price. It's actually very good. So I'm going to try this out on my solar panels just for you guys to see. So at this time the batteries are full. I just turn on this lamp to give some load to you guys to see. At this time the solar panels are putting on half an amp because the battery are full. And yeah, that's it. I have two sets of solar panels. This is not putting anything because battery are full. But this is work fine. I already tested yesterday, and it's just what I wanted. So I think it's a good torch. I will put the link below, and I see you guys soon.